First go to the file and choose open. Select this third image and hit open. Now take the polygonal lasso tool and select the sky area like this. Now take a new layer, change the foreground color from black to white. Take the gradient tool, then go to the basics gradient folder on top, select the second one. Now apply the gradient like this. Go to select and choose deselect. Now we need some blurring in this light. So go to filter, blur gallery and choose field blur. Here move the point to the torchlight area and add a point towards the sky area. Then select the starting point and decrease the blur radius to 0 pixels. Select the point, this time increase the blur radius to 85 pixels. Hit OK. Go to blend modes and choose soft light. Now is the time to see the final result. Let's continue the same process with the other images. Double click and select this second image. Hit open. Now take the polygonal lasso tool and select the area like this. Now take a new layer, select the gradient tool and apply the gradient like this. Then deselect the selection. Now go to filter, blur gallery and choose field blur. Here adjust the point like this. Select the first point and decrease the blur radius to 0 pixels. Then select the second point. This time increase the blur radius to 95 pixels. And press OK. Now go to blend modes and choose soft light. Now is the time to see the final result.